Greetings, beautiful beings. Welcome to our 5-minute embodying consistency meditation that can be completed on any day at any time throughout your day. Feel free to sit up with your legs crossed, straight elongated back with your hands on your knees, facing downwards to ground all of the goodness that this practice will bring. Keep a slight gaze or feel free to close your eyes and breathe here naturally. If it is comfortable for you, you can loosen the muscles in your face, dropping your mouth slightly open and releasing your tongue from the roof of your mouth. Feel free to lay flat on your back with your legs and arms spread out if this is more comfortable for you. Take a deep inhale in through your nostrils, then exhale it out with a deep sigh. With your eyes still gently closed, we invite you to embrace consistency in your life and use this skill to conquer all of your goals, whether personal or professional. Developing positive habits by using reliable and valuable resources and tools should assist you in being more consistent with your actions in an effort to see desirable outcomes in your future. Continue to breathe here naturally as we prepare to release the factors that are contributing to your inconsistencies. Let's take a deep inhale in for 5 seconds, collecting the distractions that are holding you back from your task and goals. Hold at the top for 4 seconds. Then with a deep sigh out, discharge these issues while exhaling for 5 seconds. 2 more times. Assemble the people, places, or things hindering you from being consistent on a deep inhale in for 5 seconds. Hold at the top for 4 seconds. Then exhale with a deep sigh out for 5 seconds, emancipating yourself from the holdbacks. One last time. Let's take a deep inhale in for 5 seconds for our discharge of invaluable discrepancies. Hold at the top for 4 seconds. Then with a deep sigh out, exhale for 5 seconds for your ultimate liberation to embody consistency in all that you do. Find your rhythm and breathe here naturally. Imagine the tools and resources that you have to remain consistent in your life. Using a calendar, whether on your wall, in your house, or in your phone. The reminders or to-dos app in your smartphone. Set alarms. Place sticky notes in areas that you will always see them, or use a written daily journal. In this moment, you realize that the power is within you to take action on these legitimate resources and tools to hold yourself accountable and be consistent in all that you do. Continue to breathe here naturally. You realize that any and everything is possible, but requires you to get disciplined in the present moment. You got this, my love. Let's take a deep inhale in through your nostrils, then exhale it out with a deep sigh. Again, another deep inhale in through your nostrils, then exhale out through your mouth with a deep sigh. One last time. Take one last deep inhale in through both nostrils, then exhale it out with a deep sigh. All right, beautiful beings. As we close this meditation, we manifest intentional thoughts, genuine thoughts, and peaceful thoughts. Intentional words, genuine words, and peaceful words. Intentional love, genuine love, and peaceful love. And if you would like added affirmations and manifestations, we are going to take a deep inhale in to prepare, and on your exhale, we are going to do I am power statements. I representing inspiration, A representing affirmations, and M representing manifestations. I am embodying consistency in everything that I do. I am magical. I am divine. I am powerful. I am unstoppable. I am peaceful. I am focused. I am worthy. I am beautiful. I am enough. I am here to achieve optimal wellness. I am taking back my power, and I am grateful for another day and another opportunity at life. Thank you, Ashe. Now, if you're prepared to move forward with your day, we are going to go ahead and take a breath in to prepare and exhale and begin to awaken your body. Open your eyes, wiggle your fingers and your toes, close your mouth, and breathe naturally. If you were laying down, take an inhale to prepare, and on your exhale, turn over onto your side into a fetal position. Stay here for a moment and place your hand on the ground and lift yourself up into a seated position. If you are sitting, uncross your legs, release your arms, and shake both gently. Thank you so much for participating, and we hope that you enjoyed this embodying consistency meditation today. Feel free to save this for future reference. We manifest a positive, productive, and peaceful remainder of the day. Peace.